So I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna make Brando like a little Valentine's Day basket. And I wanted to record for you guys, and yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys are having a good Valentine's Day, whether you're single or whether you're not. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope that your day is blessed, right? So I'm just gonna make him a basket, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Hopefully this basket comes out sort of cute. I hope it comes out cute. This is gonna be my first time like doing something like this, and I hope he likes it. So let's get into the video. I just want to say that, you know, I was on a budget buying him his, you know, his little gift that I did get him, which I got him a keychain for his keys because he just got his license and he has his car. So I got him a keychain that has the is it the brand, the type of car the type of car that he has. And yeah, because that's all I could afford. And I also, the basket I'm making is from the dollar store. But I mean, if y'all judge me for that, y'all are wrong, because like literally, honestly, you can make cute stuff out of dollar store stuff. So if y'all don't like that, just don't watch the video. Okay, so I noticed that at the bottom of the basket there's like little holes, so I'm just gonna put in a paper like that, kind of folded, and then I bought these to throw in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in there. I couldn't find any red ones. I was mad. I was pretty mad. There's just like colorful ones, but I guess that has to do. I hope I don't make a mess. We'll just separate them. And me and my mother-in-law bought, well, she went with me. We bought 2 bags, which I think is so necessary. I don't even think we need this one. I don't even think we need the second bag. So just like that. I'll just put some second bag in there. I'm gonna give it the actual camera. I'm gonna try. I don't even want that. Me and Brandon, we never like celebrate. Well, we celebrate, but like we have our own way of celebrating it. Like we watch movies at home. He buys me food. I think that's what we're gonna do today. We are not going out to the people. Okay, so the next present we're gonna I'm kind of squashing it down. It looks like a little bit. But now I'm gonna place these in here. And his M&Ms, I want to put standing up. I actually bought 5. You guys see what I'm doing? I actually bought 5 M&Ms, so it works out kind of perfectly. But I feel like they should be more centered somewhere this way. And they are kind of... I'm just gonna fix these again. I also bought him these York candies. I don't even know if he likes these. Honestly, I just feel like I remember him saying like
One time he was like, just take a bite. And I was like, no, I don't like them. They're nasty. And he was like, just take a bite. Like, he was getting mad because I didn't want to try them. I think I remember that, though. I don't really know. I hope this doesn't look ugly. I can actually put some standing up as well. If you don't know this about me, I'm really a creative person. I came out like my grandma. Well, I feel like me living with my grandma made me like this. Like, I like to do stuff like this, and so is my grandma. My grandma's really good at decorating and doing the whole, like, 9 yards. And I feel like I came out, like, not I came out, but, like, she taught me. Like, I would do it with her. Like, me and her would literally make curtains and do all this crazy stuff to our house, and I feel like she rubbed off on me. So now I'm going to put kisses in there. And the kisses, I feel like I should just throw them in here. I'm going to eat one because, you know, I have to try them out. I'm buying 2 bags of these. I should put the silver hearts on top of them. Because now you can't really see the hearts because I'm throwing these in there. Should have gotten a bigger basket. Or I should put the red ones on top. There you go. So now all that's left is this. And the balloons, which I have no idea how I'm going to do that. Unless I just hook it on like that. And kind of just let it hang there. Like that's his gift, I guess. Okay, so there's the basket.
I actually think that I'm going to get tape because I don't like the way this moves. So let me just run it. That's how I did it. That's how it stayed. I just taped the balloons to the side. I don't like the way liquid sticks. So that's how it stayed. That's the finished look. So guys, I finished the basket. This is the basket. I can't wait to give it to him. For me personally, like, I think it's a thought that counts. Like, materialistic things like that and stuff don't matter. That's my mother-in-law trying to scare the kids she's babysitting because they don't listen. And so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. But I don't know why I'm saying that. I'm just still gonna show his reaction. So when he gets here, I'm gonna tell him you can't go upstairs. Like, you have to wait, and I'm gonna come first and then start recording. So stay tuned. Cause I made a video.
Well, what'd you get? Is it that big video?
No, it's small. It's the thought that counts.
What?
You loser!
Wow.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Where'd you get this from?
Let me see your face. He just got home from work.